Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have got an unboxing video of Glitterbels today. So I did open this one. And I got one more. And I thought it was just cute, so I didn't open this one. Their packaging is super cute. I like this. So let's open the big one first. So I got the Glitterbels Clear Pinched Square. Does have a very pinched, and they are no well, so there is no well in this at all. This box is super pretty. Oh, more packing peanuts, which is good. Okay, so I got their metal file. It does have their logo on it. And all you do is you take one of these. They've got I got the 100 grit. They got a sticky backing that you pull off and you stick on this side. The other side, not on this side, but on this side you put on, and it's a file. So then I got 2 of their buffing sponges, not sponges, buffing files. And I got 3 of their core powders, and I have got soft white, blush cover, and cashmere cover. The next one that I've gotten, so comes, oh, okay, well, I'm gonna email them and let them know that it leaked everywhere, because it is covered on this. Well, that is their dehydrator and acid-free primer. I got Thingamonomer. So this is one of their Try It kits, I think is what it's called. Pink opal. glass slippers. And these are all 15 grams. Glitterbels soft. These feel like they've got acrylic on the outside. Snowdrops white. Glitterbels sheer. Glitterbels cover. Glitterbels cover. And this one I bought separately. And this one is Unicorn Crush. And that is it for this video. I will be doing a swatch video of these colors. Alright, that's it for this video. If you guys would please like, share, comment, and subscribe, it would really mean the most to me. Thank you guys very much.